What's up, everybody? Good morning from Tulum. It's your boy Butch from Imperial TV. Today is another blessed day. I had to step out from Houston, come to Tulum, relax, enjoy a little weekend, and then head back to Houston by Monday. I'm here with my girl. Babe, get up. Where are you at? Uh, I'm just here by myself. No, I'm just kidding. I'm here with Cassidy, actually. You guys already met her, of course. So I was like, hey, let's travel together. She said, okay. So she stepped out of her comfort zone to travel with a stranger like me. Ain't that cool? But anyways, right now is another blessed day. We're about to show you what Tulum is all about. It's fun. It's great. It's a great getaway. It's only 2 hours away from Cancun, and it's about 2 hours away from Houston to Cancun. So it's not bad travel time. Well, buckle up, dress up, get up, and never fucking give up. Welcome to Imperial TV. Babe, where are you? Good morning. Oh my God, she is ready. She is ready. See, that's the type of girls you want. It's like you wake up, she's ready. It's like pretty cool. It's like automatic. You put on a cruise control. She get up, she dress up. I don't even have to feed her. She fed herself and cleaned the kitchen too. Jesus Christ, you are perfect. Oh, got me some fucking flowers. Holy motherfucking babe, you're so nice. Who got those for you? Thanks to I'm gonna do a shout out to this whoever gave my girlfriend the flowers. Thank you so much. If you don't mind, keep sending flowers every week. Peace. Alrighty, so we're ready to head out. We're dressed up, looking nice. I love Tulum. Tulum looks super fucking cool. This house is really, really awesome. Let's turn off the lights to see some energy. We're about to go visit a buddy of mine's house. It's a luxury. It's like an exotic rental place it's an exotic rental property that we're about to go take a look. It's called Don Ray. It's like a castle slash home villa Tulum vibe. Super nice, super cool. You guys about to see. I mean, it's way, way beyond what you guys seen in the past. It's just a home at a different level. This one right here is a friend of mine's. It's nice. It's cool. We're ringing it out. Got a nice pool. Got that jungle look. Not bad. Cool, you know. Oh shit, we have to put this so that way nobody can see us. Let's get it back. We like privacy. Thank you, Aisha, for hooking us up with a great hat. It's another Tulum hat. It's actually for Cassidy. That was her gift. Match her hair, I guess. Pretty cool. And match my hair too. Alright, let's take a walk and let's go. See you guys in a little bit. We are here at Canaan. Where's Canaan? So this is the VIP nest. Anyway, this is a really nice view. You want to take a look? Come here. Show you. So we're here back at Canaan. We were here about 2 days ago. Now we're back. Thought it would like be cool just to stay here for a good half a day, have a couple drinks, eat good, and enjoy the atmosphere over here. It's a Monday, which means work as hard as possible. I'm taking a day off just to see what it's like to take a deep breath and enjoy a fucking fresh air, I guess. Work hard, play harder is the game. You work hard, you reward yourself. Remember, work hard, reward yourself. So that way you'll always have the drive to continue to work as hard as possible, and then reward yourself with, hey, you know what, I'm gonna reward myself as much as possible. The harder you work, the more reward you get. So work hard, play harder, brother. This I'm not sure what you call it, nest, I guess. It's one of the best nests I've seen so far in Tulum. I've been to a lot of places, but this is like so cool, so private. We got our own door, our own seating, our lounge, and we have the whole place to ourselves. There's speakers in here. That's so cool. Secure cameras everywhere, of course. And then the view. The view is, take a look. This place is pretty cool. So I asked them, like, hey, I need one of your best places with fully loaded. So they give me a fully loaded place with food, drinks, and of course, a mamita. Yo. It's all included in the VIP nest, I guess. It's nice. It's cool. It's so good. After this, we're gonna go to Casa. It's the place that I told you about, which is a luxury rental property that I'm about to go and take a look and see. At the same time, the guy who built it, he's a good friend of mine. He said he bought another place in Cabo, so I'm gonna go to Cabo probably and go take a look at that place also. So, chillax, stay tight. We're about to see some cool stuff. Oh, the hookah is coming. Pasa mi ma hookah. What's up, Papa? Okay, so we got a hookah. This is the famous Buddha. So this is the Buddha that I'm about to show you in just a little bit from the top. This is the top view of it. Apparently, if you want to actually dive in it, dive with it, all you have to do is just swim down there, and you can actually touch that thing. And there is an actual glass view. It's just like a tank, like a shark tank or like a fish tank, where people can actually see you if you are swimming down there. So pretty cool stuff, right? So fucking awesome. This is so nice. And this is awesome. This is so cool. Like, this is the true heaven, like, that people deserve. True heaven. You want to retire? Come over here, at least spend 1 week, and then your life is over. Because this is the best week you're about to spend in your whole entire life. You know what I mean? Cool. This is the wine storage. Hello. You've been waiting on me for too long, huh? Alright, we got some tequila.